Good day, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Today we have a Naroo mask, model X9. We'll be unboxing and reviewing. This is brand new, right out of the plastic, still sealed. It's never been opened. Let's easily get this and very nice. You can see there's the front way. Let's get that packaging dust off of it. And the rear way. I'm also going to be putting this on so you can see it on face, letting you know how I feel about it. Continuing the review of the Naroo X9. It is 36 degrees out here. Hopefully you can see that. I'm only in a Henley with a skull cap in my Naroo